In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website on Godaddy Website Builder. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to your Godaddy website, whether you're moving to a different platform or simply no longer need the site, you'll want to follow these straightforward steps to ensure your site is properly deleted. But remember, deleting your site is a permanent action. So ensure you've backed up any content you want to save before proceeding. Let's start the process. First, you'll need to access your Godaddy account. So head over to the Godaddy website and find the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to fill in these details correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten them, don't worry. Godaddy provides options to recover your account details. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button again. This will take you directly to your Godaddy dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your account. Next, you'll need to navigate to your profile. If you look at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This action leads you to a section where you can manage more detailed aspects of your account. Among the options presented to you, find and click on renewals and billing. This section is crucial because before you can delete your website, you need to ensure that auto renewal is turned off. This prevents any unforeseen charges on your account after the deletion. Now, the interface will show you all the products and services you've subscribed to. Look for the specific website or product you wish to delete, and you should see 3 dots or an options button next to it. Click on it to reveal more choices. In the options that appear, select Turn Off Auto Renew. This action will ensure that your subscription is not automatically renewed at the end of its term. Godaddy might ask for confirmation or try to convince you to keep the service, but if you're sure about your decision, proceed with turning off auto renewal. After confirming that auto renew is turned off, another critical step awaits. Look for the option that says Delete My Product. Yes, it might feel final, but if you're sure this is what you want, go ahead and click on it. Godaddy will likely ask you to confirm your decision to delete your website. They may also offer alternatives, like downgrading to a cheaper plan, or pausing your service instead. If your mind is made up, proceed with the deletion, confirm your choice and follow any additional prompts to finalize the process. Just like that, you've successfully deleted your website on Godaddy Website Builder. Remember, this action is irreversible, so ensure you have everything backed up before taking this step. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to keep in mind. First, consider a backup of your website's content, as previously mentioned, and second, be aware that removing your site may affect your SEO and online presence. If you plan to create a new site, think about how you can redirect your current visitors and retain your SEO rankings. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video made the process of deleting your website on Godaddy easier to understand and follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Godaddy's customer support is there to help. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.